I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my 5-star restaurant today. Yes, my 5-star cooking. Here I'll be making some creamy mashed potatoes. I washed my potatoes, although I will not be baking them, but I do love to wash them. So I washed, I peeled, and then I diced. And in this, for my ingredients, I'll be using a little cheese to bake it in my oven, some garlic, some ricotta cheese, some sour cream, milk, paprika, and garlic powder. I will drop my ingredients in the description box. I added me some water to boil with a little salt and a little Maggi bouillon. Cook your potatoes until they are soft. The baking is optional. I'll only show you the creamy version once I'm done. So once I strained the water off, I did use a little parsley too for garnish. I added paprika, lots of garlic powder. I added a little ricotta, some unsalted butter, and sour cream. And then, of course, I will be creaming this out. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. I'll give you a second to stop and for you to like the video. Thank you for liking. So I used almond milk in this because I wanted to, and not whole milk. Crush your potatoes and feel free to add anything else that you want to add to it. I'll be showing you the creamy version and not the baked version with cheese on it. I just crushed this and it was late night. I served this with some sweet chili chicken that I did. There is my creamy mashed potatoes. Feel free to add melted butter like I did on this, just for display to show you. You can have this with any meat of your choice, anything you choose to, or even as a side dish. Here is my finished quick meal. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember, on your way in, on your way out, give your girl a like. Stay tuned, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Please remember to also look at my other videos on my channel. Like, share, and drop a comment. Welcome you if you're new. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for the support. See you soon on Thursday again with another video.